Welcome back, everybody. Got an exciting unboxing here for me, and hope for some of you also. But judging by the title, you'll be able to tell, most of you. It's nice, been around for a little while. It's the Reate EXO, and I've wanted this knife for quite some time, and it just so happens that I'm able to purchase it this time, and so that's awesome. So I'm gonna dive right into this because I got work tomorrow and I want to get to bed and get my butt to work and carry it with me. I can't wait. So here we go. We're gonna be doing our unboxing with the ProTech Strider Collaboration SMG Auto. Absolutely love this knife. It's been a safe queen. Haven't used it much, but you never know. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. SMKW Smoky Mountain Knife Works is where I got this, and I love working with them guys. So we got a thin cellophane off starters. That's nice. Protect the box because this is more of a collector's. It's definitely a higher end knife that people are going to want to keep their boxes nice and be able to display them. Okay. I don't know if you can read that or not. Reate EXO Titanium Bead Blast. HAN. Not sure what that means. Here's the make and model. Model EXO Inlay Nebula. Handle is 6A-L4V Titanium Bead Blast. CPM 3V Satin Finish Tanto. Serial 115. Wow. That's an awful young knife. They've been around for a little bit. Now we got to figure out how to open this box. Tricky. Ah, there we go. Okay. So for starters, we got a nice microfiber cloth. That's awesome. We have some extra hardware here for some reason. Maybe if we change the hardware. A really nice leather slip. I wasn't expecting that. That's awesome. Some cool swag. We got a sticker. And then we got a Velcro patch. That's awesome. Some silica gel. Always keep that in safe. Then it even has a nice little nylon slip. That's cool. And then here it is. That is some amazing packaging. That is gorgeous. This is one of the nicer knives I've ever owned. Thanks to Sezzle. Man, that is a cool display box. Alright, so you see, let me give you some stats. It's CPM 3V steel. Closed, it's 5 inches. Fully open, it's 8.75, so it has a 3.75 inch blade. Let's check out the let's check out the action. Wow, that is too cool, man. Oh, I'm gonna have too much fun playing with this. Wow. And that blade is awesome. Blade thickness 120 thousandths or 0.12 of an inch. So if I said 12 thousandths, that's my fault. It's 0.12 of an inch thick or 120 thousandths. That is Check that out, dude. That is smooth as butter. I imagine you get real fast with that. Got a kind of an odd camera angle here. That's the Reate EXO. I've never had anything like it. You can see the stone wash. Then you got your grind lines on this side. Super nice knurling. Since it's a cross pattern, it would work as a file if you ever wanted to do that. That carbon fiber is stunning. What an amazing little knife. It ain't coming out. As long as you're gripping this, that blade ain't going nowhere. But if you want to make it go, oh, there it goes. That is killer, man. So this is what it feels like. It's not, there's no spring tension here. Zero. Here's a look on the inside. Exoskeleton design, serial number 115. Birth date November 2022. Looks like on this. So that extra hardware looks like it could be one extra of these and one extra of these. What a simple design. Simple but amazing design. If I hold it like this, you don't hear anything wiggling about. You do feel something in here. You hear that? This knife is made for just super one-handed fast deployment. Just so you know what you're dealing with if you get one. You hear it wiggling around in there, but it ain't going nowhere. This knife is just pure fun. Amazing steel. This knife will get it done. Excellent conversation starter. Super fun to fidget with. It would almost be kind of cool if this was spring. If this did have a spring in it, that would be nice. Just some tension there would be good. That would take away some of the fidginess of it, but I feel that it would maybe improve it a little bit. Just some tension to keep that closed, because it'll, if you're holding it sideways, it'll stay open. But just an amazing, cool, fast, tactical knife. Just something different, something beautiful. And that's what we appreciate. We appreciate the design, the steel, the looks. It is just the coolest looking piece of engineering I've ever seen knife-wise. Super awesome, man. Just super. I've said super awesome about 75 times now, so I should probably end this unboxing. So maybe we cut something here. Let's see what damage we can do to this thick piece of packing here. Oh my god. That is just unbelievably sharp. Well, that wasn't good. That's a thick piece too. Just flies right through it. Well, ladies and gents, the Reate EXO. A piece of engineering perfection. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next video.